Hello and welcome to this tutorial. This video I'm going to show you how you can add money into BetWay. Now BetWay is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, betting platform right now. They offer many promotions such as £30 match free bet if your ACA loses plus 50 bonus spins. Now these are the BetWay deposits. You can deposit via Visa, NetTeller, Skrill, PayPal or Trustly. You can do bank cards, e-wallets, bank transfers, and the minimum deposit is if you need to have if you have an activated account. These are the limits. So up to 37,000. I don't know if you're spending 37,000 on BetWay. And of course you have different withdrawal options and a way for you to, of course, withdraw your money safely if you do tend to win. Most of these are instant, so as soon as you make an account you will see the deposit button pop up next to your name. Then of course you can add in as much money or as little money as you want into BetWay. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.